Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is day 7 of Practice What I Preach. So we made a 4-week out of this. Today was a leg workout and I was feeling very tired today. Didn't get as great of sleep as I did the past night, and I woke up a bit later feeling a bit groggy. So just wanted to have a quick workout before I had to get off and do a bit of work. Today was focusing on my legs. So we started off with a banded hamstring curl, superset with a sissy squat. So this workout isn't mine. I kind of adapted it from a video from John Meadows. So rest in peace to John Meadows. He is a old school bodybuilder that is very educated, and he just had a very calm and easy way of approaching bodybuilding and lifting for performance and stuff. So I'll link the channel in the description. He's very educated, and there's always a lot you can learn from watching old school people doing their thing. So did a little bit of hamstrings, a little bit of squatting, and then I supersetted, or the next one was a Bulgarian split squat superset with a good morning. So by watching the video you can see I've got the weight vest on, so it's about a 15 kilo weight vest, and it just adds on a little bit of extra weight to make everything a little bit more challenging. Today I wasn't really feeling as great, so I was kind of going through the motions, but I was happy to get the reps in, and just trying to feel the contraction as I do these exercises and making sure my technique is good. So the Bulgarians, I wasn't really going for the burn or anything. I was just kind of going until I started to feel a little bit off balance, and then I'd switch up the legs. So just working on the technique now before I kind of build it up to something a little bit more intense. And the last exercise is just a calf raise, just to pump the calves a little bit, because you can never have too big calves. And yeah, that kind of finishes off the whole leg workout. Pretty quick one today, but I'm glad I got the movement in and I felt a bit better. So yeah, that's pretty much the video. So hope you guys can learn something from this. Again, check out John Meadows. He's also known as Mountaindog. Rest in peace again to him. And yeah, hope you guys are having a good day. Take care of yourself, and I'll catch you guys soon.